opened up to me, and the nations opened up to me. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. If you can't touch the ground, wherever you are, can you touch the ground? If you can touch the ground, touch it wherever you are and declare, oh, hear me as I hear the Lord. You will not receive my body, all the bodies of my loved ones, until I say so. Until I say so. Oh, my blood will not be spilled on you. Oh, my flesh will not be scattered on you. Oh, my bones will not be broken on you until I say so. Say, oh, anyone that will stand on you to pronounce evil decree, oh, open your mouth, swallow, 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 right now, right now, right now, right now. Release your three loud amen.
Amen. Amen.
As you rise on your feet, wherever you are, I announce the fire has cleared the way. Fire has cleared the way. A new season has begun. 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 Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. I announce, let there be instant healing right now. Let there be instant healing right now. Let there be instant healing right now. Blind eyes open. Deaf ears open. Dumb mouths open. Failed organs rise. Failed organs rise. Cancers disappear. Open one cell up. Open one cell up. Open one cell up. Those on the wheelchair rise. 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 Stroke reverse. Stroke reverse. Stroke reverse. Stroke reverse. Insomnia be broken. Insomnia be broken.